Alright, welcome back everybody. We got a tire and a ½ pound of Tannerite. We're going to see how high we can throw the tire up. It's cold and it's windy, so we're going to film from inside the car, so if it's not the greatest, I apologize, but we'll do what we can. Still filming? Just checking. We're going to use the 308 today. Hopefully the wind doesn't affect it as bad as some of the others.
What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
I think it went off. Alright, so we tried it with the 308, and one of the shots I blew the cap off, then I hit it again, and as you can see it didn't really go off. So we got new can, and we'll see if we can't hit it without blowing the cap off. So somehow I managed to hit the lid off again. So last time we had this, we hit it and set it off. It didn't really go off, but we'll try it again. Sorry about all the wind. Thanks for watching. Tune in next week and we'll try not to have such a colossal failure. And this is how you end up on gun fails. That worked a lot better.